Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm just going to continue unboxing some more of my Majorette cars. I've got about 7 in today's video. I've got some premium cars, a Mercedes AMG GTR, another premium car, Bentley Continental GT V8S, another premium series car, Dodge SRT Viper. I've got a vintage Lamborghini Countach LP400. I've got a racing car, Ford Mustang GT. Another premium car, Lamborghini Huracan Aveo. And the last one is a limited edition Bentley Continental GT V8S. So as usual, I'll get them out of the packs, take a closer look, then I'll put them on the turntable as well. Okay, the first one, I'm going to look at this Mercedes AMG GTR. Beautiful parrot green color scheme and pretty neat detailing as well, as always, being a Majorette. It comes with a collector card, AMG GTR Mercedes. Some more information about the vehicle. This one's got 8 cylinders, 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. Then a whole lot of other stuff like speed, power, engine size, torque, curb weight. And that's the car, guys. The good thing about Majorette, they always try and include some sort of moving parts. This one's got opening doors, beautiful painted taillights, a rear spoiler, side mirrors, painted grille with the Mercedes logo, plastic headlights. Quite nice, guys. Okay, next one. Let's look at this Bentley Continental GT V8S. They're both premium cars, but apparently this green Spectre Flame is a limited edition. Alright, let's get to it later. Decently detailed, guys. I can see the doors as the moving parts on this one. Okay, the collector card on this one. I guess the name gives it away. It's V8, 8 cylinders. Yep. So 8 cylinders, 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. Pretty handy card. That's the car, guys. Beautiful gloss finish. It's got this nice magenta pink sort of thing going on. I'll paint the exhaust chrome. Bentley on the back. Painted headlights, side mirrors. It's a coupe. Beautifully detailed front. Awesome, guys. I've got this in Mini GT as well. They've done a much more detailed version of it, but there's no opening parts on that one. I guess each brand has their own unique characteristics. Okay, let's look at the Dodge Viper next. Part of Majorette's premium car series, Dodge SRT Viper. Beautiful parrot green with racing stripes, black racing stripes. Looking good, guys. The collector's card. Whoa, this one's got 10 cylinders, guys. And 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds. Awesome. Car is looking really beautiful, guys. Majorette's done a fantastic job. That's just awesome. Side mirrors, painted tail lights, a bit of black on the back where the license plate goes. Beautiful Dodge logo in the front. A little air vent on the bonnet. Plastic headlights. And being a Majorette, the opening parts are the doors. Okay, let's look at this Majorette Vintage Series Lamborghini Countach LP400. I love the dark cherry red. Painted taillights, rear spoiler, opening doors. Collector's card, guys. Countach LP400 by Lamborghini. Whoa, this one's got 12 cylinders. 0 to 100 in 5.4 seconds. Impressive, guys. And that's the vehicle. I'm loving the dark cherry red, guys. Beautiful. Painted taillights, beautiful rear spoiler. I'm going to paint the exhaust with chrome. Opening doors, and thank you, Majorette, for keeping it true to the real one. Doors opening upwards. Plastic headlights. Painted fog lights. That's just beautiful, guys. That's just awesome. Pretty neat. Alright, guys, moving on, let's look at this Majorette racing car series. It's a Ford Mustang GT. Beautiful white and blue color scheme. It's got some racing stripes on the top and the bonnet. Painted taillights. Pony logo, plastic headlights. Quite nice, guys. That's the collector's card. Ford Mustang GT. 8 cylinders. 0 to 100 in 4.8. I love Mustangs, guys. Okay, that's the car, guys. Majorette never fails to impress. Beautifully detailed. Opening parts of the doors, again on this one as well. I'm loving the white and blue color scheme, loving the decals on the side and the detailing as well. Look at that chrome pony, guys. Simply beautiful. Alright guys, we're down to the last two. I'll look at another Lamborghini, part of Majorette's premium cars. This one's a Lamborghini Huracan Aveo. Beautiful indigo blue and orange color schemes, painted taillights. Looking neat, guys. That's the collector's card, guys. Lamborghini Huracan Aveo. This one's got 10 cylinders. Okay. 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds. That looks really cool. And this one's got different opening trunk as the moving parts. Beautiful car, guys. I love the blue and the orange color schemes. Lamborghini logo on the front, plastic headlights, side mirrors, no opening doors on this one like we noticed, painted taillights. I'm gonna paint the exhaust chrome. So on this one, Majorette decided to give you a little sneak peek into the engine. Obviously not detailed, but yeah, that's the moving parts on this one. I like how they're able to replicate the exact model. Alright, down to the last one, guys. It's a Majorette limited edition Bentley Continental GT V8S. I love this green, guys. Beautiful Spectre flame. That's the collector card, guys. It's so hard to try and focus on it because they've got this reflective stuff going on. I hope you guys can see it. Another beautiful Bentley Continental by Majorette. This one's got 8 cylinders, 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. Impressive, guys. Another beautiful release, guys. Pretty decent coupe. Painted taillights, Bentley logo on the trunk. I've got to paint the exhaust with chrome. Side mirrors, painted grille, logo on the bonnet, plastic headlights, painted fog lights. Beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. It's got a nice Highland green Spectre flame color. Just stunning, guys. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. And that's all the cars we are to look at in today's unboxing video, part of my Majorette car collection. We are to look at a Mercedes-Benz AMG, a Bentley Continental, a Dodge Viper, a Lamborghini Countach, a Ford Mustang GT, a Lamborghini Huracan, and the last one we had to look at was another Bentley Continental V8 GT. As always, guys, stay blessed. Thanks for watching, and God bless you all. I will catch you in my next unboxing video. I'm going to go back and do some more of my Greenlight collectibles, and then I'll have a last lot of Majorettes to unbox. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.